Hello, Professor Benton, Lucinda, and Ruby. This is my presentation on the conceptual framework of asthma prevention program. These are my SMART goals. Specific, reduce the ER visits by 10% for 11 and 17-year-olds living in Bronx, New York City. Measurable, reduce the asthma attacks, the loss of school days, and monetary loss from children missing school and parents missing work. Achievable, provide medication for the prevention of asthma condition and reduce the triggers. These goals are attainable because we can treat, identify, and reduce asthma triggers from the home's environment by providing HEPA filters and other tools to reduce asthma. Relevant. It's relevant because there's a disproportion of asthma sufferers within the 11 and 17-year-olds that live in New York, Bronx, in the city of Bronx. Time base for this program is 2 years to be able to improve the quality of life for the children living in Bronx. We must reduce and control the asthma burden by first treating the asthma with medication, identifying and eliminating the triggers, reduce the bias with education so people understand what asthma is and that there is no cure. Use tools to prevent asthma episodes. That's tools that can, by cleaning the external and internal environment, and expanding the program so that other neighborhoods where the asthma incidence is higher can improve their asthma burden. So to improve asthma, we must understand what is asthma. And this is part of the education for the public. Asthma is not having the ability to breathe well, having the shortness of breath, chest tightness and pain, coughing and wheezing. The sad part is that asthma can be controlled with medication, but unfortunately, there's no cure. We need to identify the stakeholders, and in this case, it's the 11 to 17-year-olds living in Bronx. Why? Because they have a 15% higher incidence of asthma than the rest of the New York State. How do we help these stakeholders? We create a referral process by using primary care, school nurses, parents, and other health care. So it's important to educate the public, provide treatment, and identify triggers like allergens, stress, air pollution, smoke, pests, molds, and dust. And we can prevent asthma by removing these triggers and installing HEPA filters in the homes and disinfecting the internal areas of the house. This will help to reduce emergency room visits, reduce the school days lost and the loss for the parents of work, and the children not being able to participate in sports due to their asthma condition. This will increase their quality of life by using medical management and preventing asthma attacks. There is state funding to improve the quality of life. And most important, we must improve the air quality of the external environment by removing pollutants and smog and improving the quality of air. This is it for my presentation, and these are my references. Thank you very much.